Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here together with me. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but myself, I find the winter sun to be very, very strong. But that doesn't mean that the video will be good in terms of in terms of the lightness. What I want to talk about is about perfumes, guys. Let's talk about perfumes, Middle Eastern perfumes, guys. This particular perfume is basically opulent musk is the name, guys. Opulent musk. And this perfume, I like it, guys, although I thought that it will be better. I bought it purely because of the bottle, because the bottle is beautiful, guys. That's what inspired me. First thing what I got was, guys, first that black bottle, just because I wasn't able to get this one, so I got that black one. It felt a bit sharp. It's not too bad. That black one is interesting. It's a bit sharp because probably there is oud, that sharpness probably dries down later on. I'm talking about black bottle, but this one, guys, has saffron. Some people say that is similar to Baccarat Rouge. What it is to me, what it seems like to me, it seems, guys, that it's more similar to Anabiat Rouge mixed with that black version of this bottle, opulent oud, so that's what I think, guys. That's exactly what I think. And this perfume lasts pretty long. I like it, although sometimes how to say, there are many more collections of those fresh perfumes that you can get in life as well. So this one will not be fresh, guys. This one will be more stronger perfume. It will be more stronger perfume, guys. Kind of the one that you will not get, if you want to refresh yourself. Like, let's say the Vardi, it seems very type of fresh perfume and light and jasmine perfume, but this one is not. It will be more type of saffrony, musky perfume, that type of that you would want to wear twice a day, let's say. Twice a week or something like that. You can wear it every day, but I think within time it can become boring. But I really like, guys, to have a bottle of as such, like in the collection. So that's the perfume Opulent Musk, guys, by LATTAFA. Now, guys, in my pocket, what I have is, I will tell you what I have. I have this particular Angel Muse. That's not Middle Eastern perfume, guys, but I must tell you that I was avoiding to wear this perfume for a long time. I said that this perfume will be my winter type of perfume. I will wear it in winter, but to be honest, I'm not reaching for it. I'm afraid of this perfume. I don't like this perfume. And now, as I took courage, to wear it again and again today, so it's disappointing to me, guys. What inspired me to wear was this, people say that it's very nice, and I believe in them, it's nice perfume. Like, one person said that it's very type of appealing to smell this perfume on another person, I thought, let me just give it a go, again. So once I sprayed it in the morning in my car, I thought, like, it seems a bit old-fashioned smell, and plus lemony, citrusy smell is coming out as well, with burning type of feeling, I don't know how I don't even want to smell it right now, but basically that type of feeling. And I was smelling it like whiffs of this perfume, again and again. I was smelling it on myself, and I can't really say that I'm very pleased by this perfume. Seemed like old-fashioned perfume. Like, let's say Angel, those, there is Angel and there is this what's that purple bottle, Angel, and it always, my memory is very short. Angel, and those very popular perfumes, Angel and Alien, Alien. So that Alien is also seems like old-fashioned for me. It's just like my opinion, but some people really like it. I think I would wear this one instead of that Alien, for sure. But that doesn't mean that I like this perfume. But it's not about myself, guys, because as many people there are, there are many opinions, and some people really love this perfume. What I like about this perfume is that the shape of the bottle I really like, and what I like as well, that is slightly better than Alien, slightly better, and maybe kind of more different than that regular Angel, that blue one. So that's what's interesting. There is patchouli in this perfume. I like patchouli. I don't know, there's something off-putting about this perfume, really. I must tell you guys, like, something off-putting. Let me know if you agree or you disagree. Like, if you say that you love this perfume, I believe in you, guys. I believe in you, just depending on the taste. But myself, I cannot say that I love this perfume. I cannot say that. Sorry about that. So now let's continue, guys, with another perfume. Okay, guys. Okay, I have this perfume. Guys, perfume number 3 would be Oud Farza. I unboxed this perfume not long ago. I opened it, guys, this perfume, and you know, like my first impressions was that I thought, guys, that this perfume is similar to Pour Oudi. You know, Pour Oudi by LATTAFA. So similar, but maybe a bit lighter perfume. You know, so but it's not as like a strong perfume, but lighter than that one, and it's positive, guys, positive. Let's remember, guys. Maybe I should actually let me just okay, guys. Okay, let me just. I'm gonna spray it on myself. Oh, alright. I'm gonna spray it everywhere. I'm gonna put the cap on. Okay, I'm gonna put the cap on so you can see. So really, guys, this particular perfume, I recommend you. There are those type of Middle Eastern vibe in it as well. You know, you can really feel that oud, you know, which just gives that like a Middle Eastern vibe. You know, like Sheikh Al Sujug has that Middle Eastern vibe, and Opulent Oud has that Middle Eastern, that type of oud in it, you know. But this one has also some citrusy, and especially when you are walking, like let's say throughout your day, you can feel the pleasantness, guys, of these perfumes. Like it's kind of, it feels a little bit mysterious, a little bit unusual, you know, not a little bit, but a lot unusual. You know, you wouldn't like compare it, you know, to those designers' perfume. It's just so much more interesting, guys. My opinion about this Oud Farza is positive, you know, as a choice of the perfume, because when you have your perfume collection, you know, you would love to have few choices, isn't it? So that's like different type of choice. That's not a fresh perfume, even though let's say there is, I can feel some kind of citrus in it, you know, but that's not fresh perfume. So, you know, in your guys collection, you want to have fresh perfume, you want to have sweet perfume, you want to have strong perfume. Whichever perfumes, you know, that you can have, guys. So this perfume will be stronger, a little bit stronger, you know, has some oud in it, but not overly strong, you know, as let's say Opulent Oud, not as strong, you know, so which is fair enough, guys. I really like this perfume. When I bought it, guys, I paid around like 28 or 29, you know, just because I think I thought the bottle was kind of cute, but in the, you know, the bottle actually is more cute on the website. Sometimes it says it's for her, but sometimes it says it's like unisex, you know, who knows, guys. I think it is for both, maybe a little bit towards womanly, you know, woman perhaps a little bit more, but I think if you're a man, you can really use it, guys. So what I want to say, guys, from all of those 3 that I showed, you know, I always, guys, tend to like Middle Eastern perfumes. I always choose Middle Eastern perfume. Whenever I try something else, it kind of disappoints me. I don't know why, but Zara perfumes, there can be some Zara perfumes because they are quite suitable, you know, for off, like let's say if you go to work, you know, so Zara perfumes are quite suitable. And these guys, Middle Eastern perfumes, perhaps sometimes can overpower people, you know. So for that reason, you guys need to learn, myself as well, need to learn to spray little, not too much, guys. Don't spray too much, guys, because you can really, guys, overpower people with perfumes, you know. I think I did overpower perfumes. I did overspray perfumes, you know, at my workplace. So I don't know. It's nothing positive, probably, you know. You just kind of need to learn throughout the way. But as you know, like, it's really pleasant, to be honest, like to overspray perfumes and feel it throughout the day, you know. But not always, perhaps, it's good to attract other people attention, you know. Like do you guys overspray perfumes? Let me know. Like, what do you choose? Like, do you go with the Middle Eastern perfumes to your work? You know, what's your choice? You know, what's your choice, guys? Let me know. It's very interesting. So this perfume, Oud Farza, guys, thumbs up. This perfume, like, even though the bottle is beautiful, you know, everything is so beautiful, but for some reason, something is off, guys. Something is off. Do you, like, is there anyone who agree with me that perfume is not super nice, like, you know, or something like that? Opulent Musk, guys. White perfume. The color would seem like as if there would be jasmine, isn't it? But there is no jasmine. It's kind of, there is saffron, there are those ouds, there is everything. So, guys, I think I will leave you at that. I hope you're gonna have a beautiful day. I will be back to you, you know, as soon as I can. And like this video so we can meet each other again, and maybe, you know, I will talk about another Middle Eastern perfume. I will be back to you, and have a great day. Bye bye, guys.